Hi, this is Fern from FML Diversify. Welcome back to my channel. Today's Friday. It's been a really nice day today. A little bit of overcast coming in, but that's still okay because you know what? It's a good day, and God made the day. So I came on to share with you just a little more about my ventures as growing up and being interested in businesses for those who are interested in earning an income, starting a business, finding another stream of income, a side, people say hustle, but some side work, something that they can make ends meet and pay the bills. Well, I started as a young kid again, as I said earlier, selling newspapers as a child with my brothers. Shoveling was a big thing because we were able to make sometimes $7, $5, and we would all split it up together. And I was game. When they said it was snowing, it was get shovels out and it's time to go. So we going into that season. It's fall. So you can start getting customers now. You young kids, the youth, start getting your clients now, getting your customers now, getting your people now. Ask your mom, your dad, your aunt, your grandma. Ask them if they know any of their friends. And society, the age is people are getting older, so they're always looking for people to do handiwork. There's a lady that I minister to. She's 93, and she hired a young guy across the hall, a young guy, and he collects her trash 3 times a week, and she pays him on Fridays, his payday. And his mom helps him manage his money. And he just picked up somebody new, somebody else that she knew, and she's older, and now he's added another person to the job. So you can start a business doing anything as long as it's legal and it's right, morally right. Anything outside of morally right is a dud. Forget it. It's evil and it's wicked because it's against the rule of God. So I just want to let you know, moms, you could cook, iron, start a business that way. Your iron is already your tool, your kitchen table, pat it up, get out that starch and go to work. Do Google how to iron, cook. I heard this minister, he said, if you only use your stove, he said, your oven for baking on Sundays, then that's a crime against God. Because one thing God gave us is the ability to work, and I'm learning that. I wasn't the greatest worker, yet at least I tried, and now I'm working better to be excellent. And that's all it is one day at a time and a thought or concept. So moms, you can work, dads, you can work, start your own business on the side, and even if you already have a job, I know when you get home, I worked 17 years in the position I was at when I was working at the hospital. And, as God was blessing me with the knowledge that I could have my own business, I know you come home and you got so much on your plate. Yeah, even if it's one day a week to get that extra income, to pay that bill, something to help you, just make things easier on you, easier for the family, the kids, at coupon ministry, cutting coupons for you, so that when you go out and it's Friday and you want to take them out for a treat, the weekends, mom and dad, if Sunday was what my dad would take us for a ride, and we would all load up in the car, and he would take us different places, and a lot of times it wasn't places they had to pay. It was just to go see sights, the park, the zoo, the castles, little things like that. It helps to break up the monotony of the busyness of the day or the week. So I want you to know that there's so many things that you could do to earn extra income. And one of the best things is great customer service. And before you do anything, ask the person. I found, and I was taught, that ask first and don't assume. And then don't let the enemy get in your head about why a person, if they say no, why a person said no, I'm black, I'm this, I'm white, I'm this. You don't know what the person they may not have it. They may seem like they have it. And there's a lot of people showboating out here like they got it like that. And don't worry about that. The thing is to try to Get out there, make some extra income to help pay the bills, and that'll be your best friend. You ain't got to go get no application. You ain't got to go do that. You could eventually work your way into where you might get your business license if that's a passion or something for you. And there's a way to help the elderly, take them to doctors for a ride. There's other ways to take and make money too and stuff. You know, I have a few people that the Lord has blessed me, and I started at a base fare. It was like certain areas, $10 or $20. I'll wait for you, half hour to an hour and a half, because, you know, people have to do their shopping. That $10 is gas in your car. And bring your work with you if you have other work you have to do, or your games with you. So you can wait while the person's in the store. You just let them know, hey, you know, I run my business this way, maybe an hour, hour and a half, you know, and I'll be sitting here waiting for you. And then they will become accustomed to knowing how you work and your helpfulness. And you never know what comes with it. A lot of things come with it. You know, sometimes they'll say, hey, you know, well, when we go out, if you don't mind, because sometimes they can't get out, especially the elderly, you know, we want to grab a pizza, a sub, or this. I have been blessed. God has blessed me tremendously. And I don't do it for things. I do it to make a difference, pay my bills, even just one bill at a time. If you have $100 bill, that's another subject. We're not going to go into it. There's a way to divide it up where everybody gets something. So remember, go ahead, look around. What can you do? Start your own business, start a family business, and then just build into it. And don't think, like I said, don't think big, think little. Little by little, one thing at a time. And then that way to give you the momentum to, you know, go and eventually get your license and become legal. So it doesn't have to be in that. It can be in other things, but just begin to get some ideas and, hey, I could do this and I could do that. My name is Fern again. This is FML Diversified. Thanks for visiting my channel, and I will be coming back talking about other things. Leave a comment below. Please subscribe. Please share with somebody who you know. You might not be going through something, but other people around you. And people don't always talk. And they don't share because a lot of people really, really are personal about their business. But feel free to share this video with someone you know who's having a hard time, a co-worker, you know, a sister, a brother, your mother, your grandma, your aunties. Hey, auntie, there's this lady talking about how to, you know, take that skill, knitting and crocheting, and start something on the side that will help them to earn an income. And start little, one at a time. All right, again, this is Fern from FML. Diversify. You can do it. You can do it. God has given us all the ability to create, and he said in the scriptures to create wealth. So again, have a great day, have a great evening, and I'll talk with you a little later. Bye.